2025 Yamaha XSR 125, best new and updated retro modern design bike from the London Motorcycle Show. The 2025 Yamaha XSR 125 is a notable addition to Yamaha Sport Heritage lineup, combining retro aesthetics with modern performance. This lightweight motorcycle is designed to appeal to both new riders and those returning to motorcycling, offering an engaging riding experience that is both accessible and stylish. The 2025 Yamaha XSR 125 marks an exciting chapter in the brand's legacy of combining performance and iconic design. As the smallest model in Yamaha's XSR range, the XSR 125 brings the spirit of retro-inspired aesthetics together with modern technology, making it a perfect choice for both novice riders and seasoned enthusiasts. Let's dive into the standout features and what makes the 2025 Yamaha XSR 125 an impressive offering in the lightweight motorcycle segment. Aesthetics and design, retro meets modern. The Yamaha XSR 125 takes design inspiration from the brand's rich heritage, drawing cues from classic bikes like the Yamaha XS650 and the legendary YZF-R series. The 2025 model continues the XSR's legacy with its signature neo-retro design, featuring a sleek, minimalistic appearance that pays homage to the golden age of motorcycling while integrating modern touches. The new color schemes for 2025 include bold options such as a retro-inspired heritage white paired with bronze accents, as well as a more aggressive storm gray with contrasting red details. The XSR 125's compact round headlamp, sculpted tank, and brushed metal finishes give it a vintage appeal while staying true to Yamaha's clean, contemporary aesthetic. The XSR 125 boasts classic styling inspired by Yamaha's heritage models, featuring a rounded fuel tank, minimalist bodywork, and circular LED headlights. The bike is available in various color schemes, including Yamaha blue with bronze wheels and yellow graphics, as well as other options like impact yellow and traditional black and white. Engine and performance, lightweight powerhouse. Under the hood, the 2025 Yamaha XSR 125 is powered by a 125 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled, single-cylinder engine, paired with a 6-speed gearbox. The engine delivers around 15 horsepower, making it the ideal choice for beginner and intermediate riders looking for a blend of performance and maneuverability. The engine is both efficient and responsive, offering enough power for everyday riding while maintaining excellent fuel economy, perfect for city commutes or weekend trips. The XSR 125 is powered by a 125 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled single-cylinder engine, producing a maximum power output of 11 kilowatts at 10,000 RPM and a torque of 11.5 Newton-meters at 8,000 RPM. This engine features variable valve actuation for enhanced performance across different RPM ranges and is paired with a 6-speed transmission for smooth gear shifts. One of the standout features is the ability to achieve high miles per gallon, which makes the XSR 125 an affordable option for those looking for an efficient and enjoyable ride. The engine is paired with a smooth and predictable power delivery, ensuring that even new riders will feel confident on the road. Chassis and handling, designed for urban riding. Yamaha has designed the 2025 XSR 125 to be nimble and easy to handle, making it perfect for urban environments and winding roads alike. The frame is lightweight, constructed from steel to provide both strength and agility. The suspension setup consists of a 41mm telescopic fork at the front and twin shock absorbers at the rear, both tuned for comfort and stability, ideal for daily commutes and longer rides. The XSR 125 comes equipped with a 17-inch front wheel and a 17-inch rear wheel, paired with wide tires that enhance grip and overall stability. Whether navigating tight corners or taking on uneven road surfaces, the XSR 125 offers exceptional control and confidence. The motorcycle utilizes a delta box frame known for its rigidity and lightweight characteristics, which enhances handling and stability. It features 37mm upside-down front forks and a dual-disc braking system with ABS for improved safety. The bike's dimensions include a wheelbase of 1,330 mm and a seat height of 815 mm, making it suitable for riders of various sizes. Technology and features, modern touches for the rider. Even with its retro styling, the 2025 Yamaha XSR 125 is packed with cutting-edge features that enhance safety, convenience, and the overall riding experience. A full digital instrument cluster is one of the highlights, offering key information such as speed, gear position, fuel consumption, and trip data in a clear and easy-to-read layout. For safety, Yamaha has equipped the XSR 125 with a single-disc braking system with ABS, ensuring strong and reliable stopping power, especially when riding in wet or slippery conditions. This addition significantly increases rider confidence, particularly for those new to motorcycling. The bike also features LED lighting for both the headlamp and tail light, providing brighter and more energy-efficient illumination. The LED lighting complements the bike's modern aesthetics while ensuring visibility on the road. Comfort and ergonomics, perfect for everyday use. The 2025 XSR 125's ergonomics are designed with both comfort and control in mind. The seat height is low, making it easily accessible for riders of varying heights, particularly beginners. The handlebars are placed at an ideal height, offering a relaxed, upright riding position for improved comfort during long rides. The overall posture allows riders to stay in control without straining their wrists or back. The foot pegs are designed for an optimal riding position, allowing for quick and easy shifts between different riding styles. Whether you're cruising through traffic or taking a longer weekend ride, the XSR 125 ensures that riders of all experience levels can enjoy a comfortable experience. The 2025 Yamaha XSR 125 is more than just a motorcycle, it's a statement of style, performance, and Yamaha's dedication to the future of motorcycling. With its timeless retro design, modern technology, and impressive performance, the XSR 125 is ideal for new riders who want a bike that offers both character and practicality. For seasoned riders, it's a perfect choice for city commuting and fun weekend rides, all without sacrificing performance or aesthetics. The 2025 Yamaha XSR 125 has something for everyone, from its efficient engine and modern safety features to its iconic design and impeccable handling. If you're in the market for a lightweight, stylish, and reliable bike, the XSR 125 should undoubtedly be at the top of your list.